Stick welding is a manual arc welding process that uses a consumable electrode covered by a flux to lay the weld. After an arc is formed by gently scratching the surface of the plate with a welding stick, move the stick at the correct angle and speed. In stick welding, there are a few important things to take care of for achieving a quality weld. The first is choosing the correct welding stick based on the weld material, and the second is using the correct welding parameters for quality welds. Keeping the arc in the correct length during the welding is crucial, as a too long arc will cause spatter. Welcome to Weld Education 2.0, brought to you by Cavitar.